story name is Jump Wiggle Giggle Town. Welcome to Jump Wiggle Giggle Town. In this magical place, we can make things happen with our bodies. Let's meet our friend Leo. Look at the sleepy flowers. They need our help to wake up. Can you help Leo? Let's all jump high. Jump, jump, jump. Wow, the flowers are blooming. Look at all the beautiful colors. Now, let's wiggle. Jump high, wiggle low, giggle fast. The fluffy clouds are stuck in the sky. They need a little wiggle to get them moving. Can you wiggle with Leo? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. The clouds are moving. They are dancing across the sky. Now, let's giggle. Jump high, wiggle low, and giggle fast. Oh, look, the sun is going to sleep. The little stars are waiting to twinkle. They need a big giggle to wake them up. Can you giggle with Leo? Giggle, giggle, giggle. The stars are twinkling. The whole sky is full of light. Now, let's do all three. Jump high, wiggle low, giggle fast. The flowers are blooming. The clouds are moving. The stars are twinkling. We did it. We made Jump Wiggle Giggle Town a happy place. So remember, whenever you want to make magic, just jump high, wiggle low, and giggle fast. You are a magical helper in the Jump Wiggle Giggle Town. The town is so happy you came to play. Thanks for listening with us, friends, today. Did you like today's story?
Yes, Mom.
Amazing. So, see you next time.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye, friends.